top news headlines. People throng fish fair in Imphal on the eve of Ningol Chakoba. "24-hour National Highway number 37 band near Total in None and Tamenglong. Manipur records 44 COVID-19 fresh cases, 3 succumbs in past 24 hours. And BJP top brash to meet to discuss strategy for upcoming state polls. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV giving you the latest Friday English Bulletin. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in detail. Manipur Department of Fisheries organized the annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2021 at Mapal Kangzaibung in Imphal today. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated the fish fair. It was organized to ensure sufficient availability of fish to the people for Ningol Chakoba festival tomorrow. A large number of people thronged the fish fair held on the eve of Ningol Chakoba festival. Fish farmers from different parts of Manipur sold various fish products including indigenous fish of Manipur such as pengba, ngaton, ukabi and taini at the fair. Fisheries Minister S. Rajan, Agriculture Minister O. Lukhoi Singh, Travel Affairs and Hills Minister Vungjagin Valte and other officials of Fisheries Department were present at the function. N. Biren Singh announced a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh for the winner, Rs 70,000 for the second position and Rs 50,000 for the third position, Rs 10,000 each for 20 fish farmers as consolation prizes and Rs 20,000 to the fish farmer who produced the finest fish. He also expressed happiness over availability of various fresh products local fish farmer, thereby saving crores of rupees, which otherwise would have been spent in buying fish from outside states for the festival. He also extended Ningol Chakoba greetings to the women of the state.
Farmers in the loan, people, fisheries, encourage of startup, bank loan, interaction of 3,000 empty and government as per report. Other was 2020 Bogini and 19 Bogi 2021 Yawri. 2021 the day I studied another 3,000 Mama trying to perform. Basically, whatever I see, my machine is a point. Project Mapandagi winner who shall like to say 17,000 empty Gumba. Who shall like I give what a pipe.
Normal life was badly affected in None and Tamenglong districts due to the 24-hour total ban along National Highway number 37, Imphal-Jiribam Road, imposed by the affected Land Owners Committee, Longmai, None district. The ban began last midnight. The committee has demanded a fair compensation and reassessment of land acquisition for developing National Highway number 37 into a double land by National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation (NHIDCL). Bund supporters blocked traffic by burning tires in the middle of the road at several places. Vehicles were off the road along National Highway number 37 and Old Kasar Road. If the government fails to give a positive response at the earliest, the affected landowners committee is all prepared to take up further hesitation to push for the demand, said committee leaders. In the backdrop of the recent by-elections that gave a mixed results to the party, the FX policy-making body of BJP would meet Sunday to discuss the strategies for the upcoming state assembly elections. The leaders in the recently revamped National Executive will discuss all relevant and important issues in the current political scenario in the meeting, taking place for the first time after 2019 due to the COVID-19 pandemic restrictions. Although the agenda has so far listed presidential address, condolence resolution, discussion and resolution on forthcoming assembly elections and other current issues, forthcoming programs and valedictory speech, a meeting of the General Secretaries Saturday is expected to finalize the number and character of the resolutions that should be adopted in Sunday's meeting, according to a report in the Indian Express. Manipur recorded 44 COVID-19 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. 3 succumbed to the deadly virus in the same hours. The new cases took the total tally to 1,24,001, while the death toll reached 1,930, said the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The positivity rate was recorded at 3.5%. According to a release from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room, the fresh cases were detected from 1,275 samples. It said 3 people were recuperated from the disease in the past 24 hours. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has wished the people of Manipur a very happy Ningol Chakoba. He extended warmest greetings to the women of Manipur on the occasion.
Forumsina lakpada Manipuri miyam punamakta maroina ise imaivel sinda matam kuina unadraba magi mabung mapa mapura gi mayum nasalaga awan ngai wari sadana mabung mapa sinda makoi asenba mathamoi gi lejaba or vidana nagayana she sang and my didn't already but how she television come with them encouraged of one another and the rookies they found more chaco which they do the business and the Angelapa I am one of my mother teacher and
Sekmai MLA Haikam Dingo has also extended warmest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the women on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba.
We Sekmai constituency Manung Chanaleba, Ningol Singa, Henna, Chakotpa, Toto, Wutamukurimata Mongolba, we Ningol Sing to be Wiba, Amatangaraba, Festival Ningol Chakoba Lapada, Mumapa Singa. And Ningol Singa, Marida, and a Chessanaba, and a Santi Leba, and a Chakotpa, and a Chisana Himinava, and Santi Leba, the Gumba, Iram Mama, Manipuramo, or Sumahana, Yakapos Pizzi.
Tangzam Arun Kumar, intending candidate from Wangkai constituency, has also extended greetings to the women of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. May the festival of Ningol Chakoba bring love and peace in Manipur, he said in his message.
Pada Manipur da leibiriba jat vijati amata khaidana leibiriba imaivel chechel phaipuno gi mafam da kumai sina lakpa iroina na yaipa pautil pijari kumai sina ekoi mabung maupasinga machal mache singa leinaba mari imaibel singa macha singa leinaba mari hena hena pagatpa hena hena sectionba hena hena afaba purakpa aduga leibiba manipurgi amasung manipurgi wangmada leiriba imaibel sing ichechel sing khwai punoki mafamdasu aina yaipa paujal pijari.
Now we have a short break. Stay tuned.
लाकलिबन दिवाली अमदी निगोल चाकौबगा मरी लेनना केक कप केक जार केक चीज केक न चिंगबसिंग नवंबर 3 दगिना नवंबर 3 फाउ 10% डिस्काउंट पिजरी प्री बुकिंग तौबिदुना डिस्काउंट सिंग असी लौबिनबगी दमक कॉल तौबिरउ अखोइगी नंबर 9863247509 अमदी द रोजलेट बाय बेबी हाइना इंस्टाग्राम अमदी फेसबुक ता ऑर्डर तौबगी खुदोंग चाबसु पिजरी.
करीगुंबा दोम युमदा लैबा अनाबसिंगी हिदा कापा ड्रेसिंग तौबा ब्लड सैंपल लौबा राइस ट्यूब हापा कैथेटराइजेशन हापा एनेमा तौबिनबा एक्सपीरियंस लैरबा नर्स अमदी डॉक्टर थीबदा अवाबा थेंगनबिरबदी वाबिरगनु मेडलेन होम नर्सिंग केयर सर्विस मणिपुरना पुंग कुनमरी चुकना अदोम युमदा लातुना हिदा कापा इंजेक्शन पीबा ड्रेसिंग तौबा फीडिंग ट्यूब हापा कैथेटर हापा अमदी मखल किया के अनाबसिंग एक्सपीरियंस लैरबा डॉक्टर अमदी नर्सिंग लातुना मतेंग पांगजरी अकुपा मरोल की दमाग मेडिलेन की हेल्पलाइन नंबर 9205987988 अमुकसु 9205987988 ता कॉल तौना तानबियु नत्रगा गूगल प्ले स्टोर की मेडिलेन ऐप डाउनलोड तौना बुकिंग तौबी.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30. Imphal East BJP Mandal carried out a lotus campaign in favor of Thaunawjam Syam Kumar, who is contesting in the upcoming Manipur Assembly polls from Andro constituency today. Mandal President P. December during the program said the lotus campaign was organized at every polling booth of Andro constituency. Earlier, similar campaign was held in Lamlai constituency in Imphal East. He added that Syam Kumar, a former minister, has taken up various development works for Andro constituency and that the campaign was to show public support for him in the state polls.
Lotus campaign Union Minister of State na Imphal East district so han hodoktan leirabani adu ngasimak Andro ACG Andro Mandali Manung Chanba Bubut Singda Amandi Mandal Gil level da Taurakanda Lakadariba trying to show my Pudan Sava Mire Mikalasida Sar Sam Kumar gi Mana Taujariba Man Andro ACida Tau Kiba development program mayam Mamurkanda Andro ACG Miamna Sar Sam Kumar da Sajok Soidan Pirakani Lunena Lakadariba Dumba Mire Mikaladu Soidan my partner Andro Kendri Miamna Sajok Pibirakani Maju Soidan Pakani Lunena my partner Bonabada Nasi in Midiba Miam the Chok Tobanidana Honaba Asisu Ikoina Ure Lunena my Soidan Pakani Habasa I get Chet Batazabdu.
Former Minister T.H. Syam Kumar celebrated Ningol Chakoba with women of Andro constituency today. He is running in the forthcoming Manipur polls from Andro constituency. He got the seat in 2017 State Assembly polls. Syam Kumar on the occasion presented simple gifts to elderly women who need better care and support. The program was organized by Development Organization Andro Kendra, DOAK Youth Front.
Orang masih kemari lain na. Antara kita maki kudo soal kita maki kira kami. Mana tu kaya hantu piu. Ini sini kan lalu itu ini namjar. Jangan apa apa. Kita nak pergi hambun tu lagi kita pergi nak lagi. Cuma ini kita pergi. Tak lah. Paun.
pai pu hak tak ta gi janra ga lak leram ba ningon chakoba haibaji gi chai kuding gi lak pasida koina honorable ai sam kumar gi meng makhada khoi yu chingna andro kendra gi da laiba khoi gi son ba haitare ko khoi gi mai bela son ma jingche khoina ngamjaba khara ningon chakoba gi ming da moi chak chara ama dan tau jaraga mo khoi moi de gi 22 da lak da election gi ji mari lenana mangon khoi gi imai ben mayam ji gi bo ni jaba ni ja horaga khoi gi honorable bu ju mai pan ba maroina khoi gi imai ben mayam jing ji da ma gi chahi gi ningon jing da chakoba gi oina mai gi ming da khara khoina kachana ba ina chinjabani.
Under the aegis of Rongmei Farm and Rongmei Chamnak Farm Silong, Rongmei Students Union Silong, an event called Rongmei Charwangsi 2021 under the theme Rihan Gamei Mabuang Chuangsi Tao Dikho. Let's Ignite the Blast of Victory was organized on November 4th, 2021 at Rappling Canyons, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. It was an annual social event of the year where Rongmei from all walks of life in Silong came together for games and sports, singing, community feasting, etc. The said event was graced by Pau Namsin Ray Panmei, Chairman Autonomous District Council Tamenglong, Government of Manipur, as the special guest. In his August address to the gathering, he exhorts the Rongmei people to stand united wherever they are and strive for excellence in their chosen fields based on the event's theme. He further lauded the Rongmei people in Silong for organizing an event such as this Charwangsi. As a token of appreciation, the special guest had also advanced his generous hands towards the Rongmei Farm Silong, Rongmei Chamnak Farm Silong, Rongmei Students Union Silong. Different events such as tug of war between ladies and mothers, youth and married men, children activities, singing, etc. marked the day-long program.
Rongmei Phuang Samna Phuang Rai Hekumei Rongmei Silong Khobamei Ani Rongmei Pina Gwe Ani Ai Lai Thon Kwe Sai Hai Ani Rongmei Phuang Kariu Ne Nai Rongmei.
Now we have another short break. Stay tuned.
Ningol Singi Punsida, Kwaidagi Maru Ebanumit Asibu, Hena Mangol Hap Nabagida Magda, Lazare, Bridal Makeup and Portrait Collection by Dojo Chongtham. Phone number 9366 214 258.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30. The Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Lewa, Taubal District, celebrated Ningol Chakoba yesterday with women from different religious backgrounds of Lamding village. Lewa President S. Ojit in a release stated that the association decided to celebrate Ningol Chakoba for married sisters from different communities to show the bond of love among brothers and sisters. Although the participants were from different ethnic groups, they are all the Ningols, women of Manipur, he added. Altogether, 8 women took part in the Ningol Chakoba celebration. They were also presented with simple traditional clothes as gifts after a grand feast together. The final round of the state-level song competition for selected top 19 will be held on 14th of November at GM Hall in Imphal. The competition is organized by Artist Training Cum Education Research Center, ATERC, ATERC with the principal objective to uphold youngsters who are interested in singing profession. Preliminary round of the competition was held in online mode in March this year. The program of the final round will be divided into 2 sessions as per a release. In the opening program, former minister and ATERC core committee member Govindas Konthozam and ATERC president Sobita Soibam will be present. Prizes will be distributed in the evening session. Before we come to the conclusion, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. People throng fish fair in Imphal on the eve of Ningol Chakouba. "24-hour National Highway number 37 band near Total in None and Tamenglong. Manipur records 44 COVID-19 fresh cases, 3 succumb in past 24 hours. And BJP top brush to meet to discuss strategy for upcoming state polls. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.